Kazuko Watanabe, as famous as Mother Teresa in Japan, is a religious sister, educator, and writer. When she was young, she did a monotonous job of cleaning dishes every day while training at an American monastery. One day, the abbot who watched her washing the dishes asked, "What are you thinking about working right now?" "Not at all." "Well, you're wasting your time." The abbot continued, "Why don't you pray for the person who uses it every time you clean a dish?" Having been greatly enlightened by this remark, she later prayed as follows while washing dishes. "Let the person who uses this dish stay healthy today. Please let good things happen to the person who uses this dish today." Then a change began to occur in her mind, and she realized that washing dishes was not trivial but very valuable. There's nothing trivial in the world. There's just an attitude of trivializing it. No matter where or what you do, there is a prerequisite that you must fulfill if you want to do something noble. It is to keep doing what you think is not noble in a noble attitude. The following is Helen Keller's famous saying, "I long to accomplish a great and noble task, but it is my chief duty to accomplish small tasks as if they were great and noble."